Okay. What is the one? I have a serious problem. I love headphones. Like the differences between them, you know, like these headphones are better for this music and these are way better for this music. The good news is that Massdrop has some really great headphones for relatively small amounts of money. Otherwise, I'd have to like get an entire another mortgage on my house. And between Corey and I, we actually have 3 of the more popular and affordable pairs of cans from Massdrop. I think we need to pass out some awards. What's going on, everybody? Jeremy with Detroit Tech. So let's see how these 3 headphones stack up against each other. So in order of price, we have the Hi-Fi Man HE4XX, the AKG K7XX, and the Sennheiser HD6XX. These are all pretty affordable headphones at $200 and under, and all really provide great sound, especially for the price. But between each other, which one really takes the prize? So keep in mind that any comparison of sound of these, like, you know, like these are warmer, something like that, is simply a comparison between the 3 of these, doesn't necessarily reflect the sound compared to like any other headphones. I'll put links down below for the non-Massdrop equivalent of these headphones if you're interested as well. All right, so let's pass out some awards. First, we're gonna go with the K7XX. We did a review of these a while ago. Feel free to check it out over here. So these really get the Marathon Session Award. They are the most comfortable pair of headphones, like just period. They're super light, they rest really easily on the head. I can sit with these on my head for hours with zero fatigue or like feeling squeezed, anything like that. The second award that these get will be the Dubstep Award. These have the most low end of this battle. And if you're a fan of the low end and need to have a generous amount, the K7XXs are for you. Finally, these crazily comfy cans get the Easy Driver Award. These sound the best when getting your signal from a phone without any amp. They sound pretty close to what you get when actually like connecting them to an amp and getting some actual power, just a little bit quieter. They're a solid pair of headphones. Next, let's go over the awards for the HE4XX. You can also see a video of these right up here as well. First is the Clarity Award. These things have clarity coming out of the butt. Everything is crystal. Vocals come across like they might like shatter. They're just so freaking like crystalline. They're clinical as crap and don't let you miss anything. Piggybacking off that is the Flat Award. These have the flattest frequency response of the group, and I'll throw some charts up from Inner Fidelity for you to look at as well. These will give the most accurate representation of what the mixing engineer and producer had in mind. If you want to be like inside the mind of the masters, these will get you there. And finally, these get the Build Quality Award. These things are heavy. And if there's anything we learned from Boris the Blade, it's heavy is good, heavy is reliable. And if it doesn't work, you can always hit them with it. These things are tanks. Lastly, we have the HD6XX. Now, we didn't do a video of the Massdrop version, but did get a chance to use the actual HD650, so you can check that one out right here. So let's start with the Trusted Name Award. Now, AKG has been around for a while, but the Sennheiser name is just completely synonymous with great sound. The 6XX are even based off the HD650s, which are often considered really the best headphones under like $1,000. And you get these for like $200. Next, these get the Pillow Talk Award. These things have the most like intimate vocals. While the 4XX are crystalline, these feel like you're being held by like your lover. Vocals are soft and seductive, and even when it's not John Mayer telling me my body's a wonderland. You should have to pay for a more intimate encounter. Finally, the 6XX, they get the Easy Listening Award. These are the easiest just to listen to. They have a flatter frequency response than the K7XX, but are a bit warmer than the 4XX and seem to be a bit more forgiving of a less stellar mix. They make me feel like I could just throw together a mix in like 5 minutes and it would still sound really good. I think really every mix engineer hopes that the consumer is just gonna be listening to their stuff on these. So in conclusion, these are all actually really great headphones. Overall, I would have to say the 6XX are the best all-around headphones. And they'll really work with just pretty much any style of music that you can throw at them. If you're looking to extract every tiny little piece of detail from the music that you can, the 4XX, they're the pair for you. If you really just need the best comfort like ever and need a little bit more low end, K7XX, that's your go-to. All in all, these are all really great headphones and excel at just different things. You really can't go wrong with any of them. So thanks for watching, everyone. If you got the Snatch reference, hit the thumbs up and subscribe. If you think Brad Pitt having bare knuckle boxing contest is dumb, then you can hit the thumbs down. Either way, let us know in the comments below which pair you are planning on buying or have bought, and we'll see you in the next one.